Hello, I'm Tony.
And I'm Art, and we're here from
Garden Masterz with a Z.com. Yes, we have a blog, gardenmasterswithaz.com, where we show you how to garden and give you tips for your own properties, gardens, and flowers and shrubs and everything in between. But here we are on our YouTube channel. And what are we going to be doing on the YouTube channel, Art? What do you think?
We are going to get dirt under our nails and mud on our boots.
Are we?
Because
mud on our boots.
They're pretty clean today.
They are.
But anyways, we're going to show you a lot what you need to know about keeping up with your property.
That's right, because we have a property right here. It's behind us. And you'll be seeing this in future videos where we are improving our property. You'll get to know where we live. You'll get to know what we're doing to our property. And we'll show you what we're doing so that you can learn from that. Right, Art?
That's right, because we got quite a bit of space out here. We're landscapers, and we also need time for our own property.
So how many gardens do we have here, Art? I think there's...
well, you know,
I think there's 7 or 8 or something like that, right?
When we moved into this property, there was basically maybe 2 gardens. A little foundation garden, little driveway garden, and that was about it.
But being landscapers, we can't have that. We can't have that.
Yes. No. You always got to wish for something more and experiment.
Yep.
You got to find out your light conditions. And now, I want to say, Tony, I think we have the entire house surrounded by gardens.
We do, but they're not all perfect right now. That's why, I don't know, when you're a gardener, everything needs improvement in some way or another. You're never satisfied. You always want to make changes. You always want to try a new plant here, a new plant there. So, that's what we do.
And the thing of it is don't hold back of just getting things started, because get some things in, you can change, you can add to, you can say that's not working, that's too shady, whatever.
Yep.
And it all evolves over time.
That's true. Another thing we're going to be showing you here is a behind the scenes of our clients' jobs. We've been landscapers for over 20 years now. I really don't know the year, but it's probably the 90s or something that we started in this partnership together. And we've had so many clients I can't even count and done so many different things. So we're going to be giving you some insights into our past clients, because boy, do we have the stories. Until we have the stories.
Yes.
Every person is a story. Also, and then we'll show you what we do right now. We'll take you on our jobs where we can and show you what we're doing, why we're doing it, so that you can learn. So
we'll also have some of our friends or clients involved in these videos, letting them let you know what they've done with their gardens. A lot of knowledge to be shared, so let's have fun together.
Let's have fun together. We are 2 fun-loving guys. We love having fun. Gardening is fun. Let's make it fun for you too. So join us on this journey and check out some of our videos on the channel. We hope you will. And by all means, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified when we put out new videos. We'd really appreciate that, because a friendly YouTube algorithm will mean that we can put out more and more videos for you. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for more.